Oh. No. Okay. How don't they call those things as you jump door? On a drop key? Oh, yes.
Is at the reception.
Oh, good. Sorry, madam, no verse. And your stuffs.
This is plain.
My stuffs?
Yes, sir.
How do you mean my stuffs?
Oh, we didn't leave anything in the room.
No, madam, you are out of this one. This one no concern you. You can't run Keta.
Chai!
Madam, that girl where you carry come 3 days.
What girl?
Okay, calm down now. Why you won't come at him here now? The girl where you and follow come that day, she come.
Are you foolish? Don't you know how to talk? Don't you have manners?
Okay, if there is anybody that is foolish, is that girl where you carry come? I person will carry and come.
Hold it. Sorry. Are you trying to say that he was here with someone else?
Oh, not be say he was here with someone else. Okay, is always here with people, different people.
Can you just shut up? What this nonsense? Are you mad?
Darling, calm down. Just calm down.
Now you they make her look like say no. You know why bam.
What?
Okay.
The eye.
Wait. Let me get something straight now. Are you trying to say that my guy is always here in your hotel?
He's always here. This should be his second home.
Allow him to talk.
Why you gonna make me look like they stupid? Why you gonna insult me for waiting?
Who paid you to do this?
Eh?
Who sent you?
Do I look like somebody can?
No, somebody paid you to do this, right?
Okay, nobody pay me. That girl a stupid kid. How can person wear bra come back lava bro?
Eh?
What we they are not one that they come out. I say I'm whopping. I say this girl will enter here will be like big girl. Why will be saying now where she won't go? Yeah, the woman takere nanya. She can't look small. I'm so weak up la bra. Even in our it is unpredictable. Because not program here. If they no be somebody like me, when they go church, we have spirit of God in me. I have the fear of God in me. If it is all this nowadays children, they for carry this bra now, wash and water. Wash this bra, carry the water, go do juju.
Okay.
Man, I preserve. I'm say as a regular customer. No, he got the course.
Chai!
Eh? Because not program here, let me go and fetch my work. You should thank me. Oh.
Wait. Hold this head. Yeah. Let me get something straight. Are you trying to say that the girl he brought here forgot all these things?
Okay.
Not even a girl, small child. Small takere.
Listen.
Are you kidding me?
Okay.
Continue.
Can I just
What? You don't even know what to say again. Can you just
Make your words go straight. Now, no they stammer. You know the stammer.
I hate you.
Yeah, Mike. We don't they hate you right from the day one. The first day why I see you now.
I hate you.
I hate you too.
You are evil.
You are an animal. Why are you making me look as if I'm stupid?
Chai!
A full-grown adult like me.
Those are not mine.
Those are yours. Those are yours. This girl, where all those shots where you shot that day. Is it because I no record that?
This is plain.
What are you doing? Who the teacher not teacher? Check for brown. Hey! Mess up the whole place. No, cannot the no better than from me. I hate you too.
Tabi, what's Tabianya?
It was Igbo. You know the hell Tabianya. Eh? My nigga Tabi one. Take your thing. I beg collect this thing. Make I go first my work. Because they make me you come me like I don't know my work again. I beg collect take your thing. Stop. Take your girlfriend. Stop. Take. Stop this rubbish.
Listen, I can explain, all right?
touch me?
Hold on, sorry. It was my sister. She wanted me to celebrate her birthday, and you know when
Look at you.
Babe, listen.
Look at you. You know you're a very big liar. You're a big fool. You're a fool.
This is
I'm
plain.
not a fool. I'm trying to tell you, my sister had a birthday here.
Your sister had a birthday. Do you know the last time I checked, you don't have a sister?
Auntie,
so what are you talking about?
I mean, sorry, my cousin. My cousin.
Organoves. Now your concubine. I didn't forget. He get it. I pick him inside that room. As soon as I finish, come out. Condom don't use it for. I don't throw away those ones. But this one, now go though and for collect himself. But thank God I have a church mind. Christian na yabi.
What is this?
This is plain.
Answer.
Was this not the same earring you bought for me? No.
Okay.
Shut.
Buy for another gift another.
You gave me this earring. You took it away from me and gave to another girl.
No.
Are you that heartless?
Babe, I am not.
Are you this wicked?
Hey.
I am not done. You gave me this earring. and you took it away. No, rather you stole it from me and gave to another girl.
Hey!
Babe, listen.
Shut
Okay.
up.
Oh, sorry.
Let's have
You know,
finish.
my cousin deals on jewelries. I wanted to show her this to know if I actually got you the original one.
Hey!
Your cousin.
Frying pan.
Yes. You know, I've always wanted to
I know.
make you
I
happy.
can't deal with this.
This is plain.
Babe,